Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cashapp. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open the Cashapp application and then you might be asked to enter your PIN. Once you enter your PIN code or your biometric, you will be taken to this homepage where you can enter your desired amount to request or pay. Now, in order to buy Bitcoin, you can simply tap on the USD and then select Bitcoin from the currency option. You will then be shown a small guide into Bitcoin. Simply tap on Get Started and now you will find the Buy Bitcoin button. Just go ahead and tap on it and now you will be asked how much amount you want to spend on buying your Bitcoin. Just simply select your desired amount and tap on the next button. Now you will be asked to register with your phone number. Just go ahead and type in your phone number and tap on the next button and then you can proceed with buying your desired crypto. You might also be asked to link your bank account or your card number if you haven't done so already. So you should be prepared with those information if you haven't linked them already. If you need help with those, make sure you check out our previous videos on how to link your bank account or your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on Cashapp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.